Meet the new Yealink BH74 Bluetooth headset, designed for hybrid work. With Hybrid Active Noise Cancellation and 4-microphone noise-canceling technology, it keeps you focused and productive anywhere. The BH74 offers cloud-like comfort with memory foam cushions and a lightweight, ergonomic design, perfect for all-day use. Included are a USB-C dongle, USB-C to USB-A adapter, and charging cable for seamless setup and fast charging. The charging stand keeps your headset powered and ready to go, and the hard shell carry case protects your BH74 and accessories when you're on the move. With 32 hours of talk time, dual busy lights, and UC or Microsoft Teams certification, the BH74 is built for work and beyond. Contact the Call 1 or Hello Direct team member to learn if your business qualifies for a free Yealink headset demo. Follow Danny Hayasaka on LinkedIn for updates and stay tuned for demo videos.